Welcome to Shopfront. I'm Nick, and today we're going to go through a quick demo of Shopfront. In this demo, we're going to go over the basics of many aspects of Shopfront, including selling, creating products, receiving invoices, and reporting. Shopfront is a cloud-based point-of-sale system that works on a variety of devices, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Shopfront lives in your web browser, so it'll pretty much run anywhere that Google Chrome will run, and that means you can access it from anywhere in the world at any time. Here you're presented with a login for your store. You're required to log in for the first time of the day to protect your data, but once you're logged in, you have many options such as remaining logged in, forcing users to log in after they've completed the sale, and more. Let's log in with our user credentials. The first time you use Shopfront on your device, you'll have to select which location you're currently in. We're currently at the register in Moonee Ponds, so we'll choose that. You may have noticed a synchronization occur at the top of the screen. This stores all of your data so Shopfront can operate quickly and allow you to continue serving if you lose internet access. At the start of the day, you'll need to open the register to begin trading. So let's do that. On the left hand side here, we have a search box that we can use to search for products and customers. We also have our sales keys, which are fully customizable with a wide range of actions. And on the right hand side, we have our current transaction. Let's start by adding a product onto the sell screen. You can scan the product's barcode or select the product from the sales keys that you've set up. But for the purpose of the demo, we're just going to go and search for our product. Our search bar is quite easy to use, and you can search for any part of the product's name in any order. So if you don't quite remember what your product is called in the system, it's no problem at all. By searching for and pure, we've managed to find the product we're looking for, which is the pure blonde can. You can also see what the price ranges from and how much stock you currently have in store. You can now see that the transaction contains one pure blonde can for $3.85. Let's check out some more information about this product. By clicking on the product's name, we can see a range of information such as the category, current inventory, and more. Let's expand some of these and have a look at what we've got set. As you can see, we have a price set for the quantity 1, 6, and 24. Let's return to the sale. We'll change the quantity to 6 by pressing the plus button on the keyboard, the plus button on the sale key, or we can click on the quantity to change it. You might have also noticed that when we change the quantity to 6, our item price changed to $3.30 per can. This is because Shopfront allows you to have an unlimited amount of price points per product, so you can reward people for buying more. In Shopfront, payments are really customizable. You could add a payment method and an amount to the sales keys to easily choose notes, for example. But for the moment, we're going to press the Finalize button to open the Finalize sales screen. From here, you can just type the amount in and pay. Adding amounts like this make it super easy to do split payments like $10 cash and the remainder on FPOS. Shopfront supports a variety of payment methods, including integrated FPOS providers such as Tyro and Linkly. Once the sale is finished, you can see the receipt on the right hand side, where you can print or email it. Let's go and edit a product. All of Shopfront lives in the menu in the top left hand side of the screen. From here, you can do things like view the sales history, run reports, set up promotions, and more. Let's go to the product screen. On this screen, you can see a list of all of your products, and you can filter this by several criteria, such as the product's status, category, and name. Let's edit one of these products. Here is all the customizable information about our product. We're just going to have a quick look. You can set how many products come in a case, the product's current status in your store, provide a pretty description, and classify it. You can also enter the tax rate and cost for the product. Here you can add and edit prices. Let's add a 7 for price for $19.95. We can track inventory across all of your locations and set customizable reorder levels to make ordering quicker. Shopfront can also store an unlimited amount of barcodes per product, with each barcode being assigned a quantity. There's a lot more features available, but we'll have to leave those for another time. Now let's go and find out how orders and invoices work in Shopfront. Here is where all stock management happens in Shopfront. You can create orders that are sent to suppliers, receive invoices, return stock, transfer between locations, and more. Let's go through a basic order flow. We start off by ordering the stock. We'll choose the supplier, in this case ALM, and set the order details. Shopfront can generate the order for us, but we're not going to do that this time, and will have to be done in another video. Here you can add products to your order by searching by the product's name or barcode. You can also add products by classifications such as categories or tags. Once the product has been added to the order, you can edit the product's quantity and the expected cost. And once you've finished creating your order, we'll just need to press save and send to send it off to the supplier. Some suppliers directly integrate with Shopfront, so once you've marked it as sent, they'll automatically receive your order. Once our order has been fulfilled by our supplier and sent to us, we'll need to enter the invoice. Simply press receive and we can get started. Shopfront will ask you for an invoice total to assist you with balancing your invoice. But as we don't have a real invoice, we'll skip this step. Here you can go through and match up the physical invoice from the supplier with how many items you've received and at what cost. As you adjust costs throughout the invoice, you can see how the cost has changed compared to the last time you received the product. You can also enter things like fees and freight directly into Shopfront, which will distribute it across the cost of your products to provide you with a more accurate GP. Shopfront also features a detailed view, which allows you to configure the way the cost is made up further. Shopfront also supports receiving invoices as ex-GST and ex-WET if you're in the liquor industry, as well as taking into account other fees such as payment fees or if you use an external freight company. Once you've balanced your invoice, you simply press save and receive and it will update the stock levels and costs for all of your products on the invoice. That's the basics for orders and invoices for Shopfront. Let's have a look at running some reports. Shopfront offers a wide range of options for reporting. We'll start off by opening the reporting dashboard, which gives you a snapshot into your store's performance. We show details such as your revenue, sales count, and profit history over periods such as daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. We also show you a timeline of recent sales. Shopfront can do more than just show you pretty graphs. It also allows you to go in depth into your data through reports run on sales, purchases, and more. Let's have a look at a sales report. You can set the primary type of report, how it's grouped, what precision you're looking at, and more. You can also filter the report and change the columns that are visible. Once you've got the report set up the way you want it, you can then export it, print it, or save it. We'll save this report and set it up to email us daily. You can specify multiple details when emailing, including the format that should be emailed, how often it's emailed, and who the report is sent to. Shopfront features so much more than what has been covered today, but we'll have to touch on those at another time. Shopfront can handle your cash management at the register, assist you with performing stock takes, set up customers with special pricing, including wholesale pricing or pricing tiers, manage debtor customers, and deal with gift cards. We can also run a huge range of promotions, including buy X, get Y free, buy X, get for Y dollars, spend and get, and more. We have a huge range of integrations from supplier to banner group to accounting software integrations and more. So go and sign up for a free 30-day trial or get in touch with us. That's it for now from me and the team at Shopfront. Until next time, have a great time.